learning objectives. After completing this module, learners will be able to learn word processing tools, work with the various tools of word processor software, know different formatting options, learn about bullets and numbers and the arrangement of data, learn about different views in the Word like normal, print, web, etc. Understand the concept of table and various options of inserting table. Learn how to insert pictures, clip art, graphics in table. Know how to check spelling and grammar. Learn to set page layout like margins, gutter position and orientation. Understand the feature of mail merge. Word processor. The use of word processor is essential in order to make typing and designing work easy for us. The use of word processor tool is the solution for developing well-presentable document or project with nicely designed printed form. We can also write letters and applications, newsletters, design posters, and so on. Word processing. Computers have made typing papers a breeze for those who do not know how to type. But using word processor can fix our mistakes before finally printing the document. While using word processor, one should be aware that entire paragraph or any word can be moved. New paragraphs, new sentence, or new word can be added, included at any place within the paper. This ability to manipulate your text is prime advantage and difference between using a word processor and a typewriter. Word processor operators save time due to faster typing speeds achieved because of electronic keyboards and to perform functions such as layout and spell check. It uses assistance of the word processing software. The most widely used word processor is MS Word, that is an essential component of MS Office. Starting the word processor. Mostly people apply word processor shortcut on desktop or choose from program option within Windows Start option. Anatomy of the application window. To get familiar with MS Word, there are many important components to know before start using it, such as menu bar, contains file, edit, view, insert, format, tools, table, window and help menus. Standard toolbar contains icons for shortcuts to menu commands. Formatting toolbar contains pop-up menus for style, font and font size, icons for boldface, italic and underline, alignment icons, number and bullet icons, indentation icons, the border icon, highlight and font color icons. View buttons. It contains options for different views such as normal, web layout, print layout, outline and read-only view. Tab stop. It is a location where cursor stops after the tab key is pressed and it is used to enable users to align text by pressing tab key. Drawing toolbar. It allows to quickly and easily label pictures, insert pictures, drawing basic shapes, changing colors in file. Status bar. Display page number, section number and total number of pages, pointer position on page and time of the day. MS Word names the blank document as Document 1 To open a new document, click on New button. Then we can start typing any introduction text from the default position of insertion point, or we can place insertion point at any other position as well. How to save a document? To save a document, on the formatting toolbar, click on Save button or click on Save option under File menu. Steps to follow to save document. Start a new document in Word and type your text. Click File in the top left-hand corner of the screen. From menu options, choose Save As. By default, file will save in My Document folder. To save in another location, navigate to that folder and select the location. Type name of document and type of document as Word document. Then click on Save button. How to open an existing document? Under the File menu, click on Open option or Open icon on Standard toolbar. Dialog box of Open will be displayed on screen. Then navigate to folder where the location of file is available. Select the file name and click on Open button. Formatting text. It refers to appearance or presentation of your text. It includes formatting font size or color, alignment, gap between paragraph, etc. There are two ways to select the portion of text. By using mouse, click and drag the insertion point from start to end of a sentence or word and apply formatting. Double-click on word to select a single word. Triple-click on paragraph to select paragraph. Press Ctrl plus click on sentence to select a sentence. Formatting text. There are basically two types of formatting: character formatting, paragraph formatting. Character formatting. It controls appearance of the individual letters in your document. Font, size, color, and leading are all aspects of character formatting. Font. It allows to change appearance of characters. Font style. It has options to change the characters in italic, bold, or both. Font color. It can add any color to characters at any portion. Size. We can increase or decrease the size of text, and measurement is as 1 inch is equal to 72 points. Underline. Any portion of text can be underlined by it. It can be used to underline headings to strengthen it. Effects. Effects like superscript and subscript can be used to add effect to a text. Paragraph formatting. Paragraph formatting lets you control the appearance of individual paragraph and does not format any specific character or part of it. Some paragraph formatting options are: alignment. It determines how line and paragraph appear in relation to the left and right margins. Margin is the blank space between edge of paper and text. Indentation. An indent increases the distance between side of a paragraph and left or right margin. Indented paragraphs appear to have different margin settings. Word provides a variety of indents to emphasize paragraphs in a document. For instance, indent is used in poems. Spacing. MS Word allows you to add extra space either before or after a paragraph. Before and after space values are represented in points. Line spacing is the amount of vertical space between lines of text in paragraph. Single spacing is MS Word's default setting. Line spacing can be changed to double-spaced or 1.5 lines. A glance into views. To add bullets or numbering. A bullet point or bullet is an asterisk, black dot, square, circle, graphics, or other mark that is found before the text that identifies key items or other important text. To apply any bullet, we need to select the text line and open the Bullets or Numbering dialog box. Click on any bullet of your choice, but to eliminate the applied bullet, select None option instead of bullets. Using tabs to arrange data. The tab key on keyboard is used to align data or a portion of text at a particular position on text line. A glance into views. Microsoft Word gives us 5 different views of document, and each has its own advantages over other. We can click on View tab, select any following view for the document. Normal layout. Under Normal View, we can display a single page with text formatting, but without any drawing, comments or columns. Web layout. This view is for displaying the document as it would look like as a web page. Print layout. In this view, we can see how document will print according to its page breaks. Reading layout. Under Reading layout, a document is displayed in full page view with thumbnail images of pages for easy navigation. Outline layout. This view is for structuring content of the document at broad level and arranging the document in various sections. Create a table. Tables help us to present information in clear and organized way. Text information or numerical data can be presented in vertical or horizontal rows of cells. To add table in document, open the Insert Table dialog box from Insert tab. Set the rows and column number. A table will be available on document and we can type the text by clicking the mouse on desired cell. To adjust the size of cells, move mouse pointer to the line separator and drag mouse to adjust size of column or row. After adjusting column widths, type the text in cells. To add new row or column in same table, right-click the table. Then hover the mouse over Insert to see various row and column options, such as Insert Rows above. To delete rows or columns, use Delete option within Table menu or select specific row or column and click on Delete Rows or Columns as required to be deleted. To delete entire table, select the complete table. Click Layout under Table Tools. Then click Delete in Rows and Columns section. and select Delete Table. Under Table menu, options are available for merging or splitting cells. The Table Auto Format option allows us to easily and quickly modify the table by choosing Category and Table Style and click Apply button. Inserting picture in a document. MS Word is generally used for writing text, but it can also help making the document illustrative as well as interesting. Pictures can be added from picture file and clip arts are also available in many word processors. Insert a clip art. To insert the clip art, open the new document file and go to Online Picture option under Insert menu. Then to search any specific clip art, type the related word and select Insertion Point. Then click on clip we want to insert. To insert a graphic from a file. To add a graphic in document, first under Insert menu, click on Picture option. Select the file and click on Insert. Then the picture gets added at the insertion point. To apply wrapping style. To further enhance the picture, such as to remove extra space from both sides of the image, we use wrapping styles. To apply wrapping, click on Picture, click on Wrapping Text under Format menu. Then click on More Layout tab. Select your preferable wrapping style and click OK. How to copy, move and delete text. The function of copy, move and delete are available in every word processor for moving any text or image from one position to another or to another document. Copying text can be useful if you need to duplicate words you have already typed, as it saves time and effort. Sometimes there is a need to move portions of text around your Microsoft Word document after you have finished typing it. For this purpose, we use Move functionality. Process to copy or move any text is as follows. First, select the item to copy or move. From Edit menu, choose Copy. Otherwise, there is a copy option available on Standard toolbar. There is Cut option available on Standard toolbar. Or else, choose Cut from Edit menu. After that, position insertion point on document where you want to place the text and click on Paste option from Edit menu. Else, choose Paste option from Standard toolbar. Select the text or graphic portion by insertion pointer to delete and then press Delete key to delete. Spell and grammar check. Spelling and grammar check is an important feature of Word that helps to check the spelling and grammar in the document. After finishing typing work, we can check our mistakes using spell and grammar check and correct those mistakes. Steps to check spell and grammar. Select the text on which you want to apply spell and check feature. Click on the option Spelling and Grammar Check. It will show you the suggested words. You can choose one of the words shown in the window and click on Change. At times, the word shown as an error is correct but not available in the dictionary of the word processor. We can add that word to the dictionary or we can ignore it if we don't want to change it. We can check for the grammatical mistakes also in the same way. The incorrect spelling shows a red line and grammatical mistakes shows a green line. Page setup. Setting page layout. When we want to print a document, the word processor has to be told as to how the document should appear on the page. That is, its paper size, margins, layout of paper, etc. Steps to change the page layout. Click on Page Layout menu. Click on the Page Setup option. Page Setup dialog box will be opened. Click on the Margin option to set the margin of the document. We can set top, right, left margin. We can also change the gutter position of the document. The gutter position is the margin that we leave for binding of the pages. We can also change the orientation position and change to Portrait and Landscape. Portrait is the vertical page, taller than wide. Landscape is the horizontal page, wider, not taller. We can choose the size of page by clicking on Paper tab. We can choose the page size like A4, letter, etc. Else, we can select the width and height of the paper. Click on OK button. Mail merge. What is mail merge? Mail merge is an important feature of the Word in which we can create personalized letters, envelopes, labels, and can send the letter to many people in one go. We don't have to type the individual letters to each person and don't have to write the address individually. With just one command, we can create multiple letters with different addresses but the same content. Advantages of using mail merge. There are many advantages of using mail merge feature in Word. Saves time and efforts. It's easy to write the mass mail rather than sending individual mails. Mail merge is available in all versions of MS Office. Steps to create mail merge. Create the main documents with the common content that you want to insert in the letters. Choose an existing data source or create a new data source. Add merge field placeholders in the main document so that when we click on Mail Merge, then it should be filled with our information. Click on Merge and merge the data with the main document. Summary. Let us summarize what we have learned. Word processing is the ability to create documents using a word processor. Menu bar provides menu options like File, Edit, View, etc. Standard toolbar contains tools for standard tasks like saving, printing, cutting, copying, pasting, etc. View buttons provide options to switch between normal, web layout, print layout, outline, and reading views. Drawing toolbar provides tools for drawing basic shapes, inserting pictures, changing color, etc. Character formatting is the one which we can apply to any individual character or to a group of characters. Bullets are small dots, squares, dashes, or graphics that are often seen before the text, word, line, sentence, paragraph, or any other object. A table helps to present complex information in vertical columns and horizontal rows of cells. Copy command helps to create a duplicate of the text and moves that duplicate to some other places. Original text remains at its place. Cut option helps to move text from one place to another. Spell and grammar check helps us to check spelling and grammatical mistakes in the document. Gutter is the space left on one side for stitching and binding. Mail merge feature helps us to write the letter or create labels without entering the details individually.